All right, so I think these counterfeits are getting pretty good. I ordered a bunch of filters off eBay. This was a good price, and that's what I got. They're really close, but you could tell the OEM one, which is one I had, is a little bit clearer than this one. The line's a little bit different. Red's a little bit different if you look on the bottom. The OEM one's kind of glued on, and this one's just folded in, but all the writing's really close. And then when you get inside, pull this bad boy out. Looks pretty good until compared to the OEM one. So right off the bat, they look pretty close, but you can tell the height's a little bit off. And the paint color's a little bit different too. The sticker looks really close, except for it looks like it's maybe a clear sticker put over the white on this one. I think this one is an actual white sticker. But other than that, the one that I think is counterfeit actually is clearer. And the writing's actually more clear than what I think to be the OEM one. It's a little bit bolder on this one. When you get underneath, maybe I'll do this. You have this one I believe to be counterfeit, and this one the real one. I know that older versions did have these circles just like that, and even the same numbers, 16 and L. But when you look inside, it looks different. It's just a couple of threads, and then it goes right into the barrel of the filter. And then the OEM one is a lot deeper before it goes actually into the barrel, and there's actually a couple like O-rings in there. And then when you pull this out, you can actually see right there, it says FOMO Co. And the design is different than this one. And then the last thing, look at a flashlight. When you look down inside of the original one, there's nothing down at the bottom. And then on this one, there's like a spring down there. So I think it's counterfeit, and I'm not super pumped about it, but I am pretty impressed at the quality of it.